You how to plug in an EPC to this box, get it to display on this TV. Step one, you're going to turn on the TV. It's probably going to be on Fox. We're going to go into line 2 in the front. So take your yellow cord, plug yellow into yellow, and the other end into the yellow down here. Next step, you're going to take this cord, you're going to plug it into the VGA in. Make sure it's in and not in the out.
The government has addressed 37% of recommendations from previous reports, saving roughly $20 billion since 2011. It is projected to save another $80 billion.
And take the other end, you're going to plug it into the other end of your laptop right here. Get it. Now you're going to take this USB cord. You're going to plug it into the power outlet here. Then you're going to plug the USB into a USB port in the computer. Just like that. Now you're going to switch the input on the TV with the white remote. Press input select. And you want it to say line in 2. There's line in 2. Now this computer is already set up to automatically connect, but I'm going to show you, if it's not connected here, how to do it on the desktop. You can focus on this. So to configure Windows to display dual monitors, as you can see, there's one here, and then it's also displaying one on the laptop here. So anywhere on the desktop, not on an icon, but on the desktop, you're going to right click, not left, right click. And you're going to go down here to Graphics Properties, and you're going to left click Graphics Properties. This is going to bring up this menu here. This menu might look a little different than yours, so I'm going to unplug this to show you exactly what you're going to do, what it's going to look like.
I can't really see it.
So your menu is going to look a little bit like this. As soon as you plug in the device, your menu is going to change. You'll probably need to close this menu again and reopen it. Now to get the display onto both the TV and the laptop, you're going to make sure that this option is selected, Intel Dual Display Clone. So that means it's going to clone it from the laptop and it's going to put the same thing onto the TV. You're going to click Apply. It's going to ask you if you want to keep the changes. A little window will pop up and you're going to press Yes. Click OK, and then you should have both displays on the top and the bottom. Now if you right click the desktop and you do not have this Graphics Properties menu, you can get to it by clicking Start, Control Panel. If your menu doesn't look like this, you're going to come over here because I have a feeling it'll look similar to this. So if your menu looks like this, come over here to the left and click Switch to Classic View. Now that's going to give you this icon called Display. You're going to double click that. Click Settings. Click Advanced. And then up here, this top tab right here, this should get you to the menu where you configure a dual display. If I click here and I click graphics properties, it'll launch that same menu that I was in.
And that's all.
And that's it.